dog's back.
This is a normal size bag and I'm an abnormal size.
Welcome back to the vlog. Jordan's back.
I'm back.
This is EDC clothing shopping edition at the mall. So we're searching for more outfits for EDC. I'm pretty much done, but I mean, I could always find something else, right? Why don't you get like those donut shorts for EDC? That's a look. Oh my god, they both made purchases. What'd you get? EDC clothes? What'd you get?
Not EDC clothes.
We were successful and Jordan already was styled and already has an outfit.
Emilio's new favorite thing.
Emilio loves styling me and Jordan, so he did good.
Like, I'm tired of styling you, Maya. Like, Jordan's doing now, I just have him.
Emilio balled out and got Fear of God pants because they fit real good. And I have yet to buy anything.
We should take them to Ragstock.
Ragstock was good, yeah.
They have good ones.
Didn't buy any clothes yet, but I bought a fake off-white case. It's pretty cool though, and it fits really nice.
You know what I'm gonna do?
Get the shirt and just color it in. Look, that's me. This is my self-portrait. You found floral button-up. I found chokers. We're like getting set to go. At least you're not a girl, you don't have to accessorize. And we're out. So we spent 2.5 hours here and had a successful time. We got everything we needed. Last thing I got was an eyebrow pencil, and now I'm set. I lost one Doc Marten shoe that I kind of wanted to wear to EDC, but maybe I'll find it. Shoes are my last issue, but other than that, I'm set. Hey, you got shorts.
I did?
Yeah, at Forever 21.
Oh, yeah.
So we're all set for EDC. Here we come. Vegas, baby.
The amount of magnetism's perfect. She says she knows just how to cool down California for me. Text at 3 a.m. because her roommate's back in Texas. I copy like Roger. We could climb some trees and get perspective.
Journey to Vegas begins with coffee and cake, and soon mimosas.
She said, baby, I've been down since 3rd grade. You were satisfied with first base, and I've been widely known to be providing earthquakes. You must not have heard. She likes the shark print with the zip up, hi-hats with the hiccups, dark tints on a pickup, pineapples and liquor.
Landed in Vegas. It's toasty.
Play the game to change it. This is how it is to be. This is what I'm
Look.
with. This is love.
What do you got there, Emilio?
I don't know.
Happy birthday, Victor.
I watch the silhouette against the sunrise. She read my mind and poured some Earl Grey in her soul for me.
Throw back to that chair. We are walking down the strip to Shake Shack because we're starving, because we haven't eaten in hours, and we're gonna spend the day exploring before day 1 of EDC. We ate, finally. I had literally 2 burgers. I downed 2 Shake Shack burgers. I should have vlogged that, but I was so hungry. And now we're at
Urban Legend counter.
and we're all getting some sort of tequila cocktail.
Shout out Victor.
This is how it is to be. This is what I'm made with. This is love. This is what I'm made with. This is love. This is what I'm made with. This is. what I'm made